Acacia boards can leave you with a very inconsistent result after engraving, depending on the grains on your board. If you are engraving the lighter areas of acacia, the engraving will usually turn out a little lighter as well. To fix that, I always use this dark beeswax from Novecento, and I just rub it down to my engravings of the board. Since my board is pre-sealed, I can just take a wet cloth and wipe off the remains, and then the beeswax will settle down inside the engraving. Once I am completely satisfied, I will let it dry, and once it is dry, you have the beeswax inside the engraving. Since it is natural beeswax, it is completely food safe and it doesn't really bleed into the wood grains. So I always just leave it as is for my customers. And also when engraving, a little tip is that you always engrave on the edge of the board, because your customer does not want to cut on top of the engraving, which will ruin it. Also, make sure that your customers are never machine washing the board. Boards like these are always meant to be hand washed, and in this case the beeswax will not wash off. What do you think, and how do you darken your engravings? Make sure to follow for more tips and tricks.